Welcome to another rConfig v6 features video. Today we're going to talk about two features. One is the search function and the second is the feedback function within rConfig v6. So on the top menu on the right hand side we've got two buttons. We've got multiple buttons, but two I want to talk about today. First one is search and the second one is feedback. So let's look at search first. So what does search do? Search allows us to search and find partial or full text matches for entities in the rConfig dataset. So that could be devices, templates, categories, tags, tasks, and a bunch of others, right? So best way is to show you some examples. So if I go ahead and search for router and hit enter, and see I get a bunch of devices returned, categories and routers. If I click on one of those, it'll navigate to that page. Perfect. If I go ahead and search for templates maybe, so it's a really useful, easy way to navigate around rConfig really quickly, right? So, to get you to the page you're looking for. So if you're working deep in rConfig, building snippets and different things, you want to look for a specific device or template, or you can quickly do that from the search field. Again, just by example, search for iOS and bring you to the templates. So it kind of saves you clicking around the various menu options. For those people that prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also hit Control and K. We'll open the search box and default bring the cursor to that search box. And again, you can search for, let's search for something different, dev. Yep. Again, including commands and tasks, etc., will bring you directly, will display those results for you from that keyboard shortcut, Control Shift and K. So really useful feature. Go ahead and give it a go. Try to bring it into the flow of your work when you're using rConfig. It's a really easy to navigate around the tool. The second one, very quickly, is the feedback button. So rConfig is built on customer feedback. We like to get your feedback, so we're giving you the experiences and features that you need for your work in device configuration management. A feedback feature is not a replacement for support. So if you have a valid support agreement with us, do contact support@rconfig.com or stephen@rconfig.com directly for assistance if you're running into any issues. Simply, this is intended to give you the opportunity to give us real-time feedback as you're using the tool. Okay, so for example, if you're deep in settings and you're looking at the API, REST API access, and you see something in here, it could be as simple as a typo, or I'd like an extra button that does something else here. Very simply click on the feedback button, tell us if you're happy or if we need to make improvements, and give us that feedback, right? Really happy with the new search feature. Thanks. And you can also click the button if you want us to contact you back on that feedback. Click submit. We get that feedback. We review that feedback on a daily basis to see if we need to add improvements to our product or feature or the experience that you're having with rConfig. So two really useful features there, the search feature and the feedback feature. So again, guys, leave your comments below, hit subscribe to join the channel, and watch out for more videos. Thanks for joining.